This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Personal Hotspot. If you don't see it, go to Cellular then Personal Hotspot. Once there, turn on Allow Others to Join so devices can connect. Make sure you note the SSID shown and the Wi-Fi password listed. This is what other devices will use. You do this now because confirming the hotspot is active prevents wasted steps later. If your carrier restricts hotspot, you'll see a message. Make sure your plan supports tethering before continuing. Next, tap the Wi-Fi password field and type a new, strong password. You need at least 8 characters. Choose a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols so unauthorized access is unlikely. Once you tap Done, connected devices will be disconnected and must re-authenticate using the new password, which is intentional to remove unknown users. Make sure to share the new password only with trusted people and update any devices you control so they can reconnect immediately without manual To finish, consider toggling Maximize Compatibility if older devices need to connect, but know it may reduce performance. Use it only when necessary. When you're not using the hotspot, turn Allow Others to Join off to prevent accidental access and battery drain. If a device can't connect after changes, restart your iPhone, toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, and have the client device forget the network then reconnect. This sequence clears cached credentials and usually resolves remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.